Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set up camera on OBS. So first, open your OBS, then set a scene here by clicking the add button, then create a name for it. I'm just gonna name this tutorial. Now that we have already created a scene, let's add some sources. So first, let's add an audio input. So I'm just gonna name this crisp, click on OK. Then choose the microphone that you want to use. Then click OK. As you can see, our audio is working well here. You can also adjust the volume of the sounds here. You can turn down the desktop audio so if you play a video, for example, it won't overpower your voice. Then, let's add a video camera. So click on the plus icon again, then click on video capture. So I'm using Rapu camera, so I'm just gonna name it Rapu. Then click OK. After that, just select the camera that you're gonna use here. I'm just going to remove the cover here to check if it's working. Okay, I think it's working well. I'm just gonna put the cover back. Then just click OK. Then you can adjust the size and the position of your cam here. Now let's add another source. Let's select Window Capture. Then I'm gonna name this Chrome. So whatever you select here will be shown on your video. Then you can also adjust the frame here. Also, I'm just gonna put my camera on top. Now, so let us try OBS Virtual Camera. So OBS Virtual Camera allows you to share your OBS Studio scene with any applications that can make use of a webcam, such as Zoom, Skype, Discord, Google Meet, etc. So now let's try using it on Google Meet. Just join or start a meeting. Then just allow your video and microphone here. We cannot see anything here yet because we haven't started the virtual camera. So let's go back to OBS. Before you click this, make sure that on your virtual camera settings, the scene that you want to share to your audience is set. Once done setting, click the Start Virtual Camera. Now let's check it on Google Meet. As you can see, it is working well now here. It seems to be on the opposite side though. So to fix this, just go back to OBS, then put your cursor here in this little red box in the middle, then press Shift. And while pressing Shift, move this to the opposite side. Then just put the frame back here and just adjust it a little. As you can see, it's not on the opposite side anymore. You can remove the OBS virtual camera by just closing the app and setting your camera on Google Meet, for example, to your regular camera. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.